AJ here, reviewing another EUFY product. So this one is your battery powered video doorbell. So basically, I installed the hardwired version without the battery power. And I said, well, you know what? The battery power is a little bit nicer because you can get the white bordered one, and it has the little backup home base also, while the wired doesn't. But I was seeing things like the response time wasn't as fast with the battery, or it was a little bulkier. So those are the things that I was afraid of. But I went ahead to order it anyway because I like to try everything. So let's take a look at this. Alright. Here, let's sort this out. This is probably your same security system that shows your stickers to protect yourself with. Yep, same thing. Here's your wall plate adjustment. Tells you where to put it on the wall with the sticker. Your typical awesome stuff from EUFY. Always easy to install, always easy to use. Here's the home base. It's very small. It's basically it's smaller than a normal sized Echo, and I was comparing it with that. I'll show you. This is the size of the watch, Apple Watch Series 5, and so this is very light, so it's easy to hide. But the cool thing is this stores the footage, and this gives extra battery power for those who don't want to hardwire. And here's your doorbell itself. Stylish, a little bulkier than the wired, and I'm gonna go outside, test them both out. We'll see what the difference is. Continue on. The rest of the box includes cable, power cable for home base, more cables, a little pin. This is what releases the camera from the mounting plate. Jumper wires you use if you're hardwiring, and your mounting screws. Simple. Well, here's your bracket, your angle bracket. Just like that. Angle it, put it out. Let's test this thing out. So here's the wired version of the doorbell, and here's the wireless version. I have the wired still mounted, and I just propped up the wireless just so we can get a look. For size differential, here you go. It's a pretty decent size bigger, but it's gotta house that battery, so understandable. I like the white though. Let's try real time. First the battery. This is taking a bit. Quality is still good. Let's go hardwire. Almost instant. So let's try it again. Battery. Come on. Quality's good. Alright, hardwired. Instant, almost. Same, perfect quality. So, after the testing of the wired versus the batteried, I'm definitely more of a fan of the wired version due to the instant response and the sizing. The battery, I mean, I get it. If you don't want to change your digital chime to an analog chime, and you just want to throw it in and charge your device up, it's a better alternative to Ring, I think, especially with no monthly subscription, and that fact that you can have the home base and store footage locally, so it's easier access. I definitely would go with that. If you want wired, I would definitely say this EUFY wired doorbell is the best. That instant response time and the size and the ease of installation, the ease of usage. The app is amazing. I would definitely go EUFY as a doorbell product, but I mean, you do have your options. But I think that wired one is definitely the winner. Thanks for watching.